Well, good Tuesday afternoon as expected with the upcoming rain that's heading our way. Flood watches have now come down from the National Weather Service office. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Right now, we're looking at a flood watch in effect for areas south of I-44. This does impact areas like Cassville, Branson, Ava, West Plains, Harrison, Jasper, East through Mountain Home, Marshall, and Melbourne. This flood watch runs from Thursday morning through Saturday evening. Looks like what we're going to be dealing with are waves of showers and thunderstorms through that time frame. We'll probably see multiple waves each day through that time frame, and over the course of several days, I mean, we're going to be adding up the rainfall. This is what we're looking at. It looks like lighter amounts north of the interstate, but still a decent rain event out of this. I mean, we're looking at 1 to 3 inches in places like Stockton and Lake Ozark. Once you get to about I-44, looks like that's going to be a zone where we see 2 to 4 inches of rainfall generally. And then south of I-44, it looks like 5 to 8 inches may be fairly common. I mean, that's going to be one of the things about this rain event is that this isn't going to be very localized heavy rainfall. This is going to be widespread heavy rainfall. And again, 5 to 8 inches is going to be a possibility. And then the further southeast you get, there's probably going to be a corridor from, say, the Little Rock area northeast across southeast Missouri where 10 inches or more of rainfall is a possibility. And I think what we're looking at the very least with this kind of rain, where we have that flood watch, especially north central Arkansas, south central Missouri, into southeast Missouri, northeast Arkansas, in those areas, river flooding and creek flooding is very likely. That's going to impact low water crossings. The other issue is going to be the risk of flash flooding. I think that's going to be more intermittent as we get these waves of thunderstorms impacting those areas. But when those waves of thunderstorms are going through, yes, we could see some flash flooding as well. So this is going to be an impactful event that we have moving through the area later this week and through this upcoming weekend. In addition to the heavy rainfall and the flooding threat, there could also be at least a limited risk of severe weather, especially in areas closer to where that frontal zone is going to set up. I think that's going to be generally places like Harrison, up toward West Plains, along that line and south. That looks to be a favored spot where we could see some severe weather trying to develop, especially Friday afternoon, Friday night, possibly into Saturday. So that's the latest right now. Again, that's longer term. Overnight tonight into Wednesday, we're also looking at the risk of some thunderstorm activity. I think overnight tonight, there could be an isolated shower thunderstorm or two trying to spill into western Missouri late this evening. Not expecting much severe weather potential with that. I think if we see anything, it would be hail, and that'd be primarily over toward I-49. But certainly once we get closer to sunrise and throughout the day on Wednesday, we're going to find, I think, a wave of scattered showers and thunderstorms moving from west to east through the area. And we could find severe weather with that activity. Like we saw this past Sunday, I think the main mode may be large hail, and some of it could be very large, but can't rule out the possibility of tornadoes and strong wind gusts as well. So active weather starting now through this upcoming weekend. We'll continue to provide you with the very latest information as it comes in.